So let's just download this first without turning it into a transparent background. But if you want to turn it into a transparent background, hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn a photo or an image to a vector using Canva. Without further ado, let's get into the video. And first of all, I just want to say that this won't take much time, so I want you to give me your 100% attention so that we'll get over this real quick, okay? So first of all, we need to create our design. So I want to be creating a logo for this one because most of the time vector files are used for logos. Okay, so let's just use some of these designs here, and then let's just try and customize them. So here we have Olivia Wilson. So I'm just gonna change this to like speedster. Let's sped. You know, that doesn't look so cool, but you know, let's make it look like that. So like sped, like that. Sped. Education. Let's say it's like that. Sped education. Then let's just move this entire thing around. Once you're satisfied with what you've created, let's get over here to share. Make sure that the background stays white too. So let's just download this first without turning it into a transparent background. But if you want to turn it into a transparent background, then it's no problem, because if you go ahead and check the description down below, you will see that there is a link that will allow you access to free trial of Canva Pro for 30 days just by clicking that link. So go ahead and try it on your own and see what Canva Pro has to offer. It's really amazing. From elements to fonts to apps to being able to download your photos transparently without having to go through this long process. That's pretty neat. So we already have our file here downloaded. It's this one. So it looks like that right now. And as if you can see, if you zoom it in, you'll see that it loses its quality, right? That's because this is a raster file. Now let's say if we go over here to free online SVG converter, link in the description, svgconverter.app. We go over here to open app. Let's try and upload our image here. And as you can see, it's that one. And then now let's just click on vectorize. And as you can see, it's pretty simple. And when we go ahead and download this, it will turn this into an SVG file. Now an SVG file is what vectors are made of. And as you can see, even if you zoom in into this thing, you'll see that it has not lost its quality, but it has been changed in one way or another. But either way, that's what vectors are for. That's how it works. So that's it. That is how you can turn an image into a vector file using Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Peace!